So friend, Nothing Phone 2 was launched in India in July 2022 as the second smartphone offering from the UK-based brand. Now the Kalpai-led company is all set to unveil the Nothing Phone 3 as its successor. It will debut in India and other international markets on July 1. As we wait for the normal reveal, the UK-based brand has disclosed the design elements of the Phone 3 through a fresh teaser. Nothing is expected to unveil the new handset without its trademark Glyph interface. In a post on X, Nothing shared a teaser image with the caption "Ultra Precise Engineering," offering a partial view of the rear panel design of the Nothing Phone 3. The image shows the panel in a dual tone shade and there are a few lines and cuts in the panel. The latest teaser confirms that the company will be making a controversial design change with the new phone by ditching the Glyph interface. The brand has also announced that it is dropping the hardware features from the new model, and the Glyph interface was one of the key design elements which made Nothing phones visually stand apart from their competitors. And the Nothing Phone 3 will be introduced on July 1 and will be available for purchase via Flipkart in India, and it is expected to be equipped with a flagship chipset and its battery capacity is said to be more than 5000 mAh. The phone is rumored to have a triple rear camera unit consisting of a periscope telephoto lens, and Kalpai had hinted earlier that the Nothing Phone 3 will be priced around 90,000 rupees. For reference, the Phone 2 was launched in July 2022 with a price tag of rupees 44,900 for the base 8GB plus 128GB configuration, and there is still much unknown about the Nothing Phone 3 and its design, but Nothing usually shares multiple teasers revealing the features ahead of launch. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.